Hey guys, it's TJ with Detail Demon Tools, and today we're going to be talking about our two new tools, the Air+Vac tool and the Air Pulse airbrush attachment, both for the Tornador Z-007 model. So to start off, we have the Air+Vac tool. Now this thing does exactly what it sounds like it does. It allows you to combine both air and vacuum functions together simultaneously with this one tool. You can use it on mats, floors, seats, and then you can alternate between air and vacuum functions on plastics, the dash, cup holders, and door panels. Another thing you can also do with this tool is you can spray down the mats, floors, seats, and then use this tool as a basic extractor. Now this tool has a really nice ergonomic shape and feel. We wanted to make sure it feels natural, easy to maneuver, and does the job well. You'll notice that both the air and vacuum hoses run closely together with the vacuum hose underneath and air on top, giving you easy Tornador trigger access while maintaining the vacuum feel. Now onto the second tool, the Air Pulse Tornador Mini airbrush attachment. Now normally when you have the Tornador Mini, it's gonna come with this red cone, which works great in open spaces, but the cracks and crevices, it doesn't quite do the job. And that's why we made this. We wanted to make something that, one, just like this, works great in the open spaces, but also allows you to get in between the cracks and crevices of the seats, under the seats, and wherever else you may need something extra thin to get the job done. This airbrush's opening dimensions right here are a 1/2 inch in width and 1 3/4 inch in length. In height, as you can see, it's just a little bit taller than the standard red Tornador cone. It's super thin and durable, and it's gonna allow you to get in between and under things the red cone, like mentioned, won't quite be able to do. Now to use both of these attachments, you will need the Tornador Mini Z-007 model. If you already have one of these, great. These tools do not come with it. If you want to pick one up, it's a great tool. It's around $36 to $40 depending on where you get it from, so not too bad. All you're gonna do is take your Tornador Mini, attach it to the air component at the top of the Air+Vac tool. Metal threads up here. It's gonna come with a rubber O-ring as well. So get it in there, screw it on, and then you can get it on there nice and tight with that rubber O-ring. Perfect stop for the Tornador trigger to be right on top. And then the bottom of this tool, right here, is the vacuum component. Now this is fitted for a 1 1/4 inch vacuum connection. So make sure you either have one of those or go grab one of those. And to attach it, simply just put it in there, locks in, and then add your air hose. And then you are good to go. Now onto durability of both of these products. Both of these tools that I'm holding have been used multiple times a day on multiple cars a day, 4 months now. So they have been thoroughly tested. And this is how they're holding up. So this is the Air Pulse tool after months of daily use. And then this is the Air+Vac tool after months of daily use. I appreciate you for sticking it through, watching this video. We'd love for your detailing business to give these products a try, rep the brand a little bit. We'll also be adding these Detail Demon stickers in every order for the next few months. If you have any product questions, potentially product suggestions for the future, let us know in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.